Episode 2 has been released and I have got some interesting news, and that is that our Goku is finally back with his power pole OG Goku. Dragon Ball Daima was the last work done by our Akira Sensei, and thank you Sensei for the amazing work. Rest in peace. In episode 2, we get to see our heroes as a small babies. By the way, Vegeta is looking cute and our Trunks and Goten become small babies. But they can talk with each other in mind. I think they got telekinesis power. Next, we get to see our hardening grandpa, Master Roshi, and as accepted, Master Roshi start flirting here also as a child. One more thing, at the start we see Goma asking wish from our Shenron that make the fighter children who fight Boo, and the Shenron granted the wish. After that Goma asks for the second wish, but Shenron say I cannot give you second wish because those who use first time Dragon Ball they only get one wish, and those who use 3-4 times Dragon Ball they can get 3 wishes. After that they kidnap Dende with them, and Dende is also looking cute by the way. After that scene we see Goku is trying to fly but he can't. Master Roshi explained that Goku's body is small, that's why he can't control the balance, and that's why Goku can't fly. Because of that, Supreme Kai teleport Goku to temple. When they land there, Poco says that some pointing ear guys came and took Dende. At the moment Poco says Demon Rail, Supreme Kai get to know everything. Poco says the person Tegetsu was just look like you, and we get to know Tegetsu is brother of Supreme Kai. We get to know some information about Neva, that he is a legendary Namekian who don't go from Demon Rail. Its reason is that he want to protect Demon Rail Dragon Ball. Goku says that let's teleport there. Supreme Kai says we can't and bring his spaceship there, and it was not working. But we have Bulma. She will repair it. And after 2 days we see Goku is doing training and small children are discussing something, and Bulma is repairing spaceship and our Goku uses something that he use it sometimes, his brain. Goku goes to bring his power pole, and our Kai is saying that those who has pointed ear that doesn't belong to Demon Rail, and only some people can't only travel through Demon Rail. And in second side we see Goku who came to meet Warim. Those who don't know, Karim is the owner of Power Pole. After that he give it to Master Roshi, and after that Master Roshi give it to Grandpa Gohan. Goku reached to Master Roshi, and Master Roshi is ready for flirting, and Goku get Power Pole, and Goku shows his Power Pole to other, and they sit to eat something, and Goku notice coming towards us in the spaceship. The person who come out from the spaceship was the guy who was introduced in the first episode. His name is Golori, and he came here to ask help from Goku, and he says Goku come to Demon Realm and defeat the new Demon King Goma. Goku is ready for going, but Supreme Kai says how do you know that this guy is Goku? I get to know about Goku by the Demon King who ruled the 3 world of Demon Realm. While Goku, the Supreme Kai also says I also want to come with you to the Demon Realm. Then Vegeta also says I also want to come, but Vegeta not came because the spaceship contain only 2 space. Come on, and with this episode 2 end.